Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2012 Buick LaCrosse Premium Group, stock number Z8054A. 81,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. It's a local trade, carbon black metallic in color. The LaCrosse is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. It's in the large car class, seats 5, leather interior, lots of legroom for the rear passengers, and split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Rear parking sensors for additional safety. Nice sized trunk, wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out, and a removable cargo net, perfect for keeping smaller items secure, and very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This premium group has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power seats, along with memory settings for 2 drivers, oversized moonroof, large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, radio and CD player, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. Dual zone automatic temperature control with heated seats, heated steering wheel, as well as cooled seats, keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Storage in the armrest with USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those media devices. Spacious glove box with the owner's manual inside. Overhead auto dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, power moonroof, and power sunshade control. Under the hood, this LaCrosse has a 3.6 liter V6, 303 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 17 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 27 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. For more information on this LaCrosse, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.